Well, let's see if I can do this before it actually starts raining on us. Anyways, y'all, I wanted to introduce you to two of my main vehicles. I have a 2014 Honda CRZ EX with a 6-speed manual transmission, and I have a 2021 Honda Ridgeline Sport. That's going to be my wife's main vehicle. I'm not going to be doing any modifications to that one, really. You're going to see me do basic general maintenance on that, cleaning it, detailing it. Because, wives like to detail their vehicles, or their husbands do, one of the two. Anyways, the Honda CRZ is where you're going to get most of the content on for me modifying. I've done some so far. I've done the little black Honda badge, which is coming off because I didn't paint it. I just did like a plastic dip it. I have some struts underneath here instead of just using the hood latch or the hood stick. I just put some hydraulic struts, and then I do want to do the modification of, or not modification. I want to replace the stereo inside of here, and I want to put a spoiler on it and put a wing on it, and paint the top black. I probably won't do that myself because I'm not much of a body guy. I'm always the beat the fit, paint to match. But I do plan on trying to figure that out body-wise, because eventually I'm going to get some vehicles that have pretty bad bodies, trying to do the whole fix and flip ordeal. I do want to case swap this vehicle, but it will be another CRZ. Only reason why I say that is because this one has 81,000 miles on it. This is a pretty good little vehicle. I would hate to sure take out a good engine and swap it out with a K-Series, like right off the bat. But at the same time, if the stars align, we might do that. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to introduce you some of the vehicles that you'll be seeing on the channel, besides the vehicles that we get to fix and flip. But yeah, 2014 Honda CRZ, 2021 Ridgeline Sport. And stay tuned for the next one, because I have one more vehicle that I'll release on Father's Day, because, dad's supporting dads, right?